Hi guys, how are you all? I hope that you're all fine. So in today's video we will learn the basic stitches of crochet like foundation chain, single crochet, half double crochet or triple crochet. So let's get started. First we will learn how to make a slip knot. So grab your hook and yarn like this. Okay, you just need to twist your hook like one and then like two. Just grab it like this, yarn over and then pull through. Just have to tighten it like this. Now you're having your slip knot. You just need to do it a little tighter. So as you can see, here is our slip knot. Let's crochet foundation chain. Now we're just going to yarn over and then pull through. This is how you can crochet chain. This is what we can call foundation chain. So we have to do it. Yarn over and then pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through like this. So now you're having your chain stitch. Okay, so let's learn how to crochet single crochet, how to do single crochet. So for doing single crochet, you just have to insert the hook in the second chain from the hook. Like this is the second chain, this one is. So you just need to insert your hook in it like this and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you're having two loops in your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through. This is single crochet. Okay, do it again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You're having two loops in your hook, yarn over and then pull through again. Again, do the same. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and then pull through again. Do it again. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and then pull through. You have to do it as much as you wanted your single crochet to be. You can also make a little more chain or as you wanted your chain to be, so you can just do it. So let's learn how to crochet half double crochet. This is slip knot. Insert your hook, yarn over and then pull through. Make chain as much as you wanted. Control the tension. Okay, here we go. You just need to yarn over and then skip two chains from the hook and insert the hook in the third chain from the hook like this. Again, yarn over and pull up a loop. You're having three loops in our hook. Now we're just going to yarn over and pull through from these three. Oh gosh. Well, don't be worried, guys. it's normal. Okay, yarn over again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops in our hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Yarn over, insert it, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through again. Just don't be afraid or frustrated. It's very easy. You just really can do it. So let's learn how to crochet double crochet. So let's get started. This is the slip knot. We're just going to insert the hook, grab the yarn like this, yarn over, pull through, 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 yarn over, pull through. Just do it like this. Okay, here is our chain. Now we're just going to do double crochet, so let's do it. We just need to yarn over and skip 2 chains, insert the hook in the 3rd chain from the hook, insert it, yarn over and pull up a loop. We're having 3 loops in our hook, but we will just yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, not all. We are having 2 loops, yarn over and pull through like this. This is our first double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over again, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through from 2, pull through from 2 like this. This is how it will look like. So let's learn how to crochet triple crochet. So this is our slip knot. Grab the yarn like this, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Just do it. Control the tension. Don't let it too tight or too loose, like this. Okay, now we're just going to do triple crochet. For doing a triple crochet, you just have to yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, now we're just going to skip 3 chains and insert the hook from the 4th chain. So just do it. Insert, yarn over again and pull up a loop. So you can see we're having 4 loops in our hook. Yarn over, pull through from 2 first, yarn over, pull through from 2 again. Oh gosh. Okay, now we're having 2 loops, yarn over and pull through from 2. So just do it. Yarn over, again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through from 2, pull through from 2 again, pull through from 2 again. So this is not that hard, but you just need to be calmed. Like this, you can crochet triple crochet as much as you wanted. So this is how it will look like. Now I'm going to teach you how you can crochet, how you can make a magic ring. So it's very easy, not that hard. You just need to grab your yarn, the tail of the yarn like this. Okay, your 2 fingers, just roll the yarn like this. So you can see what I did. Insert the hook between your 2 fingers, just do it like this. Here you go. Now you're done. You can crochet anything that you wanted. Like if you want to crochet double crochet, then just chain 2 and yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through like this, and you can do it. This is the way easier. This is how you can just make it. This is so easy. How to count stitches? As you can see, these chain styled something like this, so you just need to count them like 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, this is not 6 at all. This is the chain that we have crocheted. I'm going to make another one. And how to close the magic circle? As you can see, here is a tail, like here it is. You just need to pull it and now you're done. As you can see, the magic circle is closed, and for securing it and connect it together, you just need to do a slip stitch. So how to do a slip stitch? I'm going to do a slip stitch from second chain, like in here. So you just need to insert your hook, yarn over, and then just pull it. So, okay, you just need to do it and then you'll be done. Hope you liked it. Subscribe and like if you like the video, and if you want more patterns or free tutorial, like anything, you can just tell me in the comments and I will make a video on that tutorial. Like here is this scrunchie, I have crocheted it. If you want a tutorial of it or free pattern, then you just can't really tell me in the comments, then I will make a video on this tutorial. So see you soon. Bye bye.